this is how you can create a text substitution in Google Docs. Essentially, this feature allows you to type some word and then Google Docs will replace it with some other word that you have set up before. For example, if I type AsapGuide, it will turn into this word. And if I type /delta, it will turn into this delta character, which is really nice, and I think this will speed up your workflow. And if you want to create your own text substitution, here's how. So let's go ahead and visit the tools menu, click preferences, and then click substitutions. And then here you can put the keyword, the keyword that you want to use that is going to be replaced. Let's say it's going to be Marco, and I want to replace it with Polo. And you can click anywhere else to enable or to add this option. You see now it's here, and when you click OK, and let's try that keyword. The keyword is Marco, and when I press space, it will turn into Polo. So that's the beauty of this feature. It will speed up your workflow. And of course, if you want to navigate, if you want to manage the keyword or the substitution that you created, you can go ahead and scroll down to this menu. You can disable, you can also just remove it completely. And there are some other default substitution that is available in Google Docs, so you might want to manage them as well. So yeah, that's basically it. That's how you can create a text substitution in Google Docs. I hope that helps.